In today's video, I will show you step-by-step process of how to find chart patterns in TradingView automatically. We all know that finding right chart patterns is much difficult. Doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or an expert trader, it will help you a lot and will save your precious time. So without wasting any time, start the video. This is pretty simple, guys. First of all, open your browser and search for TradingView.com. Click here to open your trading chart. Open up the pair you want. Like I'm selecting BTC USDT. All you need to do is simply click on Indicators, then click on Technicals. Here you will find 4 options. Simply click on Patterns. As you can see, you can select individual pattern and select all chart pattern as well. For example, I'm selecting all chart patterns. Here you can see different chart patterns has been appeared on the chart with exact targets. Here you can see BTC was making falling wedge pattern a couple of days ago. Here you can see the current targets of rectangle pattern and rising wedge pattern. Now you need just a little bit practice and you are good to go. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.